soaring 2 miles above rural Wisconsin.
Hey, they're getting ready.
They should be, because we're 3 miles away and we're 95.
Repo specialist Kevin Lacey and his protege Heather Sturzik
Well, I'm going to start into a turn and roll out at 10.5.
climb toward the final altitude for Repo man Mike Kennedy to deploy his wingsuit.
I'm nervous for though.
Mike will rocket toward an open field
Hey, y'all, good luck!
and place safety flares to designate a landing zone for Kevin.
Holy.
See them down there anywhere?
Hope nobody else does either.
Yeah, no kidding.
Mike is a seasoned diver, but hurtling toward Earth at 175 miles per hour leaves little margin for error.
I got canopies. Old Mike's right on target. Looks like he's threading the needle down there, doesn't it? Nicely done. All right, let's just see if they can light this place up for us.
Walk it out, make sure it's suitable, and then we'll run out these flares, mark the edges, get Kevin on the radio, tell him come in and land.